how would you like to get in on an evergreen niche where people are always buying more of the same exact thing, and you can literally make the content in a few minutes time? If that's interesting to you, I think you're going to love what I have to tell you about my review of Recipes, Prompts, Empire. Before we get to that, my name is Eric, and I'm not the man in the hat. That's because I wear a fedora pretty much everywhere that I go. I'm one of the very few people who can film successfully. Well, me and my buddy Neil over here. Now, if you are new to the channel, by the way, if you're not new, yeah, you know already that. I don't even need to tell you that you can skip ahead because I tell the same stale, boring jokes day in and day out. I get it. You know what? It's okay. I know I tell the same stale, boring jokes all the time, but I like my jokes. I tell them anyway. Go figure. Anyway, seriously, if you are new, what I do here is two things. I review software and info products and the make money online niche. And why would I do such a thing in my expert very simple to make sure that you don't know anybody much of crap.
Crap, I like crap. I love crap. I need crap.
Okay, dude, you know what? You really have a problem here. Okay, seriously, you really have a problem with crap. All right. I don't know what it is, your obsession with talking about crap. Nobody here wants it. These people don't want it. I don't think you want it either. Nobody wants crap. Nobody. Stop talking about it. Seriously, stop it. Enough. But seriously, if you are new, the way these work here, if I like a product, I will give a tip of my hat to the product creator. If I don't, better luck next time. Now, I also do a lot of videos about mindset and entrepreneurship.
Musician, scholar, rake, entrepreneur, conspiracy theorist.
No, just an entrepreneur, thank you. And by the way,
Where is Liz Lemon?
exactly. Good God, where is Liz Lemon? Okay, but seriously, if you are new, make sure that you do smash that subscribe button, hit the bell icon to be notified when I drop new videos. Like this video, comment down below. Let's get right into this. Okay, so looking right now at the sales page for Recipe Prompts Empire from my friend Alessandro. This is a brand new set of prompts for ChatGPT, which is going to show you how to create all kinds of different recipes that you can incorporate into a cookbook. And now I want to show you first and foremost, before I show you the members area or anything else, I want to show you first of all what kind of money you can make. Here's Amazon.com. Check this out. These are Kindle. I put in Kindle cookbooks. Check out how many cookbooks there are here, making good money on Kindle. $6, $15, $6, $8. Okay, $20, $15, $18. And you can be getting in on this kind of stuff instantly. Okay, this is with Kindle Unlimited. It's free, by the way. It's actually $3 to purchase this particular cookbook. And you can make money on this instantly. The key is it's really not difficult to do this. The key thing is to have something that is worth getting. Okay, so you're going to need three things in order to really make these stand out. Now, Alessandro is going to give you the prompts you need in order to create the cookbook recipes. That's going to be the first thing. All right, but you need three additional things in order to really make your own cookbooks pop. First of all, you need a very good quality mock-up. Okay, you can see the mock-ups that they have here look really enticing. They're exciting. They're not, junky looking mock-ups. You need to be able to make one of these. Now, you might be saying, Eric, I don't know how to make one. No problem. So the first of my bonuses is going to be my guide to creating mock-ups using 3 different websites, and it literally takes about 60 seconds to make the mock-up. Okay, I don't care if you don't know a thing about doing graphics, doesn't matter. 60 seconds flat, you'll have a mock-up ready to roll that's going to rival anything you see here. Okay, it uses 3 different websites to create these mock-ups, completely for free, by the way. You don't have to spend a penny on it. All right, that's number 1. Number 2, though, the other thing you need in order to make a successful Kindle cookbook, in addition to just giving out these these recipes, what you really want to do in order to be successful is to have a particular niche. So, for example, let's say that you want to create a diabetic cookbook. Well, a diabetic cookbook, that's great. You'll have your recipes all catering to diabetics. You can specify that when you're using the prompts that you want recipes catering to diabetics, and it'll cater them to diabetics. But what if you could take it to the next level and actually create meal plans where you could say, hey, you know, if you're diabetic and you're looking to make sure that you're going to try to keep your blood sugar in check, you know, because diabetics, you know, need to make sure they're not eating a lot of food that are heavy in carbohydrates, for example, but they want something tasty. Here's a meal plan for you. Now, then you really get into something interesting where you can actually create meal plans. Now, I've actually found a really cool brand new AI website that will actually create custom catered meal plans for you. We can specify all the different details that you want. So if you want a diabetic meal plan, you can specify exactly what you want and it'll give it to you. And basically you can just take that stuff and then put it back in using methods in chat and in Recipes Prompts Empire to create the recipes around them, or vice versa, however you prefer to do it. Okay, it's a really, really cool website. There's no charge for it. As far as I can tell, you can't even pay for it if you want to. I'm going to show it to you in just a second. All right, that's number 2. And number 3, you actually have to know how to actually put this all together into a Kindle ebook. So the third thing I'm going to give you is going to be my guide to creating a Kindle ebook. Right, all of that is going to be included for you completely for free. Plus, I'm also going to give you my guide to creating pictures for all of these recipes that you're creating. Okay, you don't actually have to make the recipes in order to make the images. That's very, very simple with AI systems. I'll show you how to do that as well. You're going to get all 4 of those bonuses in order to really make your cookbooks pop, so you can make $18, $13, $15. Okay, these, by the way, are getting Kindle Unlimited. That means that Amazon is paying a licensing fee to these people. There's actually $7, $4. Okay, $20, $15. You can easily do the same kind of things with these with the methods you're going to be learning in this system. All right, and you can start selling these ebooks instantly, and people buy them all the time. Okay, if people buy one cookbook, they buy a dozen cookbooks, and people love these things, right? Especially if you've got the meal plans and if you got the markups and everything included. So let me show you first of all this recipe generator. Okay, it looks a little silly. Oh my dearie, let's create a wonderful meal plan together. Okay, but I'm going to show you exactly how the system works, because there's a couple of interesting things here. First of all, you can specify if you want to use imperial or metric. Specify what kind of cooking oils you want to use. So you can specify, for example, macadamia oil, or you want olive oil, whatever. All right. But check this out. Check out the detail you can get into dietary preferences. So you can do vegetarian, for example. You can do Cajun food. You can do Mediterranean food. Whatever it is you want, you can specify that. You also specify restrictions. So if it needs to be, people lactose intolerant, diabetics, you want to make a kosher cookbook, halal cookbook, whatever you want, you can specify that. Specify nutritional goals. This is really, really cool. So you can specify, you know what, I'm making a cookbook with meal plans for people who want to gain muscle mass. You can put that in, and it'll specify that for you. And specify caloric requirements. You could say, hey, I need to make it that they're going to get 2,500 calories. I think that's the standard for men. The 2,500 calories and 2,200 for women. If I recall correctly, don't quote me on that though. That might be wrong, but I think that's the standard that the USDA recommends as far as daily intake of calories. Okay, and you then can specify the number of breakfast, lunch, dinner, and snack options. Also specify favorite foods. So if you want to make your cookbook all around, I don't know, ice cream, you can specify ice cream, I guess. Okay, and of course you can specify again health issues, and it'll instantly create a meal plan for you. So I'm going to give you my guide to exactly what this website is, how it works, the whole 9 yards, exactly how to do it. That's going to be included for free as well. You're also going to get my guide to creating instant mockups. Plus, you're going to get my guide to creating the images you need for your recipes. And you're also going to get my guide to creating Kindle ebooks. All of that is going to be included as my bonus when you pick up Recipe Prompts Empire. Let me show you the members area work. It's basically just a Google Doc with all the prompts in it. And you can see here what they are. Basically, it's just going to give you the basic prompts to put into ChatGPT. But with what I'm giving you, though, you're really going to get a lot more than just these recipes. You're going to get this whole thing that's really going to take you to the next level with creating these cookbooks that are going to be able to make you some serious money. So let's see if I'm going to formally give a tip of my hat to the product creator on that.
For the giant hat, sir.
Yeah, seriously, okay, huge tip of my hat. I always like stuff that can make real money and sell something real as opposed to the usual junk where it's drive traffic for the sake of driving traffic for the sake of driving traffic. Okay, you're always going to see me very excited about these kind of things. I think this is great. Grab this, you're going to love it.